Learning a guitar song from a TB2 Tablature file. This format stores guitar tablature with notation, timing, and chord information from the TB2 application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and play these guitar tablature files. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure TB2 formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my number one choice near the end of this guide. A file created by Tablature, a legacy software for creating and editing guitar and bass tablature. Users typically search for this extension when they have downloaded a song's tablature from an online archive and need to identify the specific program required to open and play the musical notation. The TB2 file is a proprietary binary format designed to compactly store musical notation data. It contains structured information on notes, timing, rhythm, and instrument-specific techniques like bends and slides. This binary design allows for quick loading and playback within the TB2 software, unlike text-based tablature formats. The reference software for validating TB2 integrity is TB2 from Digital Software Technology. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows lacks the ability to interpret domain-specific data, so specialized applications are necessary. Go ahead and right-click your TB2 file, then choose Open With. Try TB2 if it's an option. If it's not, just select another program. This trial and error process is standard for tricky files. If the TB2 file still will not open, there is no need to stress. The problem is usually not complex. It is almost certainly one of 3 easily fixable errors. I've created a simple list showing the 3 main culprits and their verification steps. First, opening in TB2. Download and install TB2 from its original distribution site or archive sources. Open the TB2 file directly in the application to view the tablature with proper notation, playback, and editing tools. The application supports MIDI playback for hearing the tablature performed. Next, converting to other formats. Within TB2, use the export function to save tablature as MIDI, ASCII, tab text, or other formats. MIDI files can be played in any MIDI player or imported into Guitar Pro and other tablature applications. ASCII tab provides universal compatibility with text-based tablature viewers. Finally, using Guitar Pro alternative. If TB2 is unavailable, try opening the TB2 file in Guitar Pro or Tux Guitar, which may recognize the format through their import filters. If direct import fails, first convert TB2 to MIDI in another tool, then import the MIDI into Guitar Pro for full notation features. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.